Guangdong Yusetun Electrical Appliances Company Limited was established in 2003 and is located in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. Our company, integrating production, sales, processing, and research and development. We own Zhongshan Nantou Electric Heating Production Base, Zhongshan Sanjiao Kitchen and Bath Production Base, and Yusetun Marketing R&D Center. Our company main products are electric water heaters, range hoods, gas stoves, water purifiers, garbage disposal, gas water heater, and wall-hung gas boiler water heater. Our main domestic brands: Yusetun, Bach, and Ponder. Our factory covers an area of 26,599 square meters, and the annual comprehensive output of main business products exceeds 5 million sets. Yusetun has a world-class production line, including high-energy presses imported from Italy, and production equipment and process technology that represent the world's leading technology. Internationally advanced production equipment is a strong hardware guarantee for product quality. It has the first fully imported digital press in Asia, Italy's Scami, City High Energy Large Tonnage Press, and Italy's Scami High Precision Full Brake Production Line. Complete ISO Product Quality Assurance System, introduced advanced German TUV automated instrument online testing equipment, and passed CB, KC, and other certifications. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us to achieve mutual success.